Hello, I'm Phil from All Gardening Lawn Service. I'm the guy behind the brand, the business idea and the business model, and also 15 and a half years of lawn care. I think I've clocked up around about 25,000 visits between me and the team I've had over the years. So I reckon I've got a few things to share. So what I'm planning to do from today is to try and do a couple of minutes every day on things that I know about, things that I think about, things that you can do, tips, pro tips, how to keep a lawn business running all year round, because it should be. A lawn does grow all year round if you look after it. And just try and be really helpful about stuff that I know. So subscribe to my channel and I'll share what I can with you. So today, this is a wonderful end of August day in Harrogate. I'm just mooching around the Stray, which is this 200-acre sort of bit of land that gets maintained by the council. It's a couple of weeks before the Cycling World Championships. So I think they're making extra special effort to make the place look fantastic. This is just like one of the green areas around Harrogate, and yeah, this one's pretty tidy as it goes for lawn or bit of grass, in my opinion. Now, here's the thing, or the tip for today is everyone always assumes that basically when the rain comes, or when it's raining, or when it's drizzly, it's a really bad time to cut the grass. That's absolutely, well, I wouldn't go so far as saying it's nonsense. It's actually not true, because it all depends on the equipment you used, how much of experience you've got of the equipment, and do you know how to use it properly. Now, here's the trick, right, is if you have got wet grass, damp grass, it's just drizzly, it's just raining, but you do need to cut the grass, the big tip is, in my book, is what you want to do is just clip off a few mil off the top leaf, which is the new growth, just to kind of keep it in check ahead of any further growth. So trick to it is if you're growing a lawn 25 mil, 30 mil or so, and normally you cut it down to maybe like half the length, so 12.5 mil, 15 mil. The trick is just take off 5 mil, literally clip off the top, just shave it. Good thing is it will save you a load of legwork on the next time you have to cut the lawn, and just generally you can do it. So anyway, that's all I was going to sort of share. Just always cut the lawn, always keep busy. I think there's a lawnmower over there somewhere, one of the guys cutting around the verges. So yeah, that's my tip really. Today's tip is don't believe the hype. Cut the lawn whenever you need to, just cut it slightly longer, and the next time you get back to it, it won't be quite so long. Anyway, thanks for listening. If you're interested in tips, and there will be hundreds and thousands of tips, literally I have a complete obsession with grass care, English lawns, fine lawns, just looking after grass, trying to keep it all maintained, building a business, trying to get round everywhere, installing new lawns, growing lawns from seed, kit to buy, kit not to buy, how to break kit, who's going to break it for you, and a whole list of other stuff. So, or actually how you're going to break your own kit. But look, if you're interested, subscribe. If you've got anything to say, put it in the comments below, and I will chatter away till the cows come home. Great English saying. And I'll just try and share what I've learned, what I'm going to learn, and hopefully you guys can help me share the story. All Gardening Lawn Service, here we go. Let's see what we can do. Cheers, see ya.